I've been working as an international student support officer for almost 6 years now, and I've not heard of the fees going up considerably for international students, so I would be very interested to read the BBC article myself. But I've certainly not heard that the fees for international students are going up that much now. Students come to the UK for a UK education which is still very well regarded around the world, and Sheffield, being a central city, being a green city, having everything on our doorstep as well, is a great place for students to come and study. So we will publicise those facts as well, but it's going to be incredibly difficult if the fees do increase by as much as the BBC website, as we said, is saying. A lot of students are price conscious, and they would go to cheaper options. You know, if the UK, for example, is twice as expensive as Australia or America, then it would put off students coming to UK universities such as Sheffield Hallam as well. So that's one of the reasons I don't think universities would increase the fees considerably, because international students are such a good source of income to UK universities, and they want to encourage them to come. So it would certainly put off a lot of our students if they went up that much. Certainly some countries would be more affected than others, but yeah, I think most students would certainly be.